To make the Lego ornaments, you're going to need these party favors in the party section of the Dollar Tree and some ornament hooks. I started painting these and I realized the white would not cover, so I used Waverly wax paint in white. That covered these pretty good because the white paint didn't take too well. And then you could paint whatever color you want afterwards. This is the finished product. This is how they came out so far. They came out pretty good. Remember, use the wax Waverly paint first and then use a regular acrylic paint to get the effect. After I painted these blocks, the next thing I did was I placed the ornament hook on the back and a piece of foam to cover that, and I glued that to the back. And this is the final look of the blocks. And I also printed out this picture from Google, and all I did was Mod Podge it on the back of a piece of styrofoam and just cut out the shape. And I also bought these little blocks from the Dollar Tree also. I'm going to add those to the tree. Stay tuned for the final look. Okay guys, this is the final look of the Lego tree I decided to come up with. This is how it came out. This is how it looks. I made the tree skirt out of a Lego background I used for my son's birthday recently. And I also cut half of that and did this background also with the Christmas stocking. And I just printed out this Lego logo and just glued it on that. And that's the final look. I'll show you how it looked with the lights lit up. I'll be right back. Okay, this is how it looks with the lights on. I think it came out pretty cute. It's unique. If you can't find anything Lego, you could DIY it yourself. Just go to the Dollar Tree and buy those blocks in the party section and just paint them. And then you could come out with this too. I think this was a fun project. And by the way, I got the tree from Five Below. That's where I got the tree from. But hopefully he'll like it. If you can't find anything Lego, because I know Lego is the popular thing now, just go to the Dollar Tree and just DIY it. And that's it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.